Hey everybody, on this video we're going to do a Lishi video with the HY22 Lishi for like Hyundais and Kias. This is a Hyundai lock. My friend gave this to me. He wasn't sure. I'm pretty sure it's a Hyundai lock. Already made a key to it, and this one doesn't actually decode real well. It actually was difficult actually getting a key to work, and part of that is I wasn't even sure I was working with the right code series. But after I get it picked and I'll read it or read here, I'll show you what I'm talking about on that. So you see this is a 4-lifter Lishi. And make sure we get it all the way in the lock here. You want to get your arms pulled all the way back and centered. Okay, we got it all the way in there. Zoom in a little bit here. And the next thing we do is figure out where our wafers are. So, okay, so going down, we got our even, and then up will be odds. That's going to be both on the A and the B arm. And I'm just going to apply some, make sure I'm all the way in there. Yeah, it'd be kind of tricky sometimes getting it just into the lock here. You know, kind of a tight keyway and a lot going on here. So I think that's going to be all the way in. And just going to go through here, looking for something to bind. I'm just starting with A. You can start with whatever you want. Okay, and then 5 going up. Got a tiny click. We go back to A going down. Okay, and pretty much nothing. So now we'll switch to the B. Okay, so choose nothing, 4 nothing. Okay, 6 is binding on the B. Click on 6 and go back to 2 here. Okay, nothing on 2 or 4 or 6. Let me go upstairs here and check the B track going up. Okay, and 5 is binding, so I got to click on 5. All right, and then I just hit number 3 here and actually got it picked. So that's actually picked halfway. We're stuck between 2 positions. So now from here, we'll need to go ahead and pick it one more time to get it to pick all the way over. So I just picked number 5 on the A track and 3 on the A track, and now it's actually picked here. So let me try to reposition the camera. I'll have to just pick it again here to the last position so we can actually try to be able to read it. This guy's actually not spring loaded, so it won't just stay put like some of them will. So go ahead and just pick it again here. Okay, so now we're picked all the way over. And then to try to go ahead and read it, just start with the A track. Okay, so that's going to be a 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 1. So the A track reads 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Okay, and then the B track got a 1, which I'll show you here. I'll show you on the screen here. So we got a 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now that's what it actually decodes as. The bidding that it actually is 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, and then 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1. So I have no idea why it reads so off, but that's the only code series that works with the top bidding, and the top bidding is correct, and the key does work. So I'm not sure what's up with that, if it's, you know, maybe not the kind of lock I think it is or whatever, but like I said, it was with the use of a code field program able to get a working key. And then now the last part of this is we have to actually pick it back here to home position so a key will actually go in it. And seems like a lot of times the last 2 that you pick to get it picked all the way over will be the ones that you pick to get it picked back to the home position. So done that there. I'm just hitting 5 and 3 on the A track. Those are the last two that we had to pick. And so just when you got to pick it backwards, you start with those, and a lot of times that'll be enough to get you back over. And then here's a key produced with that code. The code was K0211 is what the actual code was. And you see the key, goes in and works. So, not sure why it decodes so off. I actually tried cutting a key, directly to the bitting that it decoded, and the key didn't work at all. So, like I said, with the use of the code fill program, though, I was able to figure it out and get a key that does work. So, anyway, questions or comments, leave them in the comments. And that's all we got on this one. We'll talk to everybody later.